Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Yeah, so today, as you can see, this is footy cards. We're gonna actually be opening them. So let's open. I'm gonna open them off camera and then I'm gonna show you. You can hear the ripping and all that. Okay. I can see a Giants. Sam Tyler. Hope you guys. I'll scan over them. I'm just gonna place them and then I'll show you any. I've got a craft card. Yeah, I got a craft card. I'll show you all of them. So, turn them over if you want to see. And then you've got the players on this side. I'll show you these ones we're done. And there you go. Okay, so that was the first pack. I'm just gonna put them together. Yeah. So it was actually kind of cool how flip! I've only got 10%. I'm so sorry if I die. My iPad, not me. Okay. Well, I can see hold on. Number 17. West Coast. That's not. Oh, it's the girls' team. I'll show you individually. This one. I got this one. This one, and what I'm going to show you is going to be good. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh, Bailey. That one's for you, I guess. Geelong. You guys pause because I'm not doing a 20 million minute thing. Just pause it and read it. Okay, on to the next pack. This is my backyard, and by the way, I'm not a freak and I don't have any grass. This is fake grass, so. Wait, hold on. I see something sparkly. What is this? Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna look at the spark. I found what the sparkly was. That's kind of cool, actually. Yeah. And then I got this one. I've got one more pack, and I got a double, Bailey. You can have the double if you want. It's this one. It's the double. Oh, another double. Getting so many doubles. It's like insane. Double in the same pack, right? Oh, I forgot a double in the same pack. I was like, okay. You know what? This one I'm going to be opening. And like, if you think it's going to be like really good. And just like, if you think it's just going to be a regular pack. Because, yeah. I just wanted to see. I mean, don't dislike because that's bad. Please don't dislike. Okay, so I've got this pack now. This one. I've got another girls' team one. Oh, I got a flicky one. Look at this. Look at this one. This is the boys' team. Yeah. Okay, that's what I got. So I would say that's actually flip. I only got 5%. I'm gonna have to hurry up. Okay, you got that one. And then you got that one. Remember to subscribe and like, and I'll be ending this video around now. Okay, see you. Bye. What?